I think it was a worthy performance based on the fact that we were out a few weeks. I think it gave us the opportunity this afternoon to really get 90 minutes performance and look forward to the game next Sunday. I thought the team did some good stuff this afternoon in terms of keeping possession, but at times I think we moved the ball around a bit slow. I think my disappointment this afternoon would be the final action in the final third. I think we create numerous opportunities, goal scoring opportunity, but we didn't make use of them. But all in all, I'm very pleased with the team performance this afternoon and looking forward to next Sunday.
Coach, do you have any thoughts on the game now? Do you think that there's any added pressure for you being that you top the league? Do you think you're going in a match like this? Is there any added pressure that you have to win this match?
Every game is a must-win game, man. If you're in the semi-final, who doesn't want to win? I don't see it as a pressure. I think the team, the staff, we know objective. We set out from August for this task, and we are here now, so we're looking forward to it.
So not nervous at all, being that Waterhouse is seen as unpleasant bogey to you?
Nervous. If at this stage, then you get nervous, then it doesn't even make sense, So again, what you do as a coach and the technical staff, then it would reflect on the players. So there's no sign of nervousness.
All right. Coach, so far this season, Waterhouse has been a formidable force for you guys. This is not a third meeting. The games have been extremely tight. We even went by Waterhouse, and despite having a lot of possession, despite creating a lot of chance, they only won that game by a 1-0. Tonight we have seen something similar to that again. The game going two directions. Did you expect a night like this from Waterhouse? I thought it would have probably been a bit easier for your players.
No, I wouldn't say it would have been easy. As I said before, Waterhouse coming off two back-to-back game, so they are game ready. We are not, So we expected a tough game, and to leave the tie tonight with a 1-1 draw, then it's pleasing for us.
Yeah, Coach. Demario came on and made a difference on some of your other tactical changes as well. How important were their contributions in getting back into the game?
Well, it's something we looked on before, Again, we need game changer, and you mentioned the substitution we made this afternoon came in and they made an impact.
Yeah, and Makala always seems to find the net, but how important has his contributions been, especially since you've been here?
Very important. He's a leader both on and off the field, and at any given time you can expect a Sule Makala to pop up like what happened tonight.
Coach, based off what you said, like in the final action, in the final third, are you pretty disappointed with how the players operate in the final third, not finishing their chances, and also what areas do you think you can fix?
Well, again, at this point, there's not much you can do, So, again, it's just for us to get it right. Again, it is the story of the season in terms of goal scoring. If you look on the players that score for us, most of the time it's some unusual player like a Sule Makala, where you expect a Devante Campbell, a Bradford, a Green to pop up, but tonight is Sule Makala.
Coach, is it any consolation that after 26 matches, you lost 3 games? You played a 27th game today, but you did not lose, so you still have 3 losses. How does that make you feel heading into the return leg next week? And secondly, how pleased are you with the contribution that you have had from Shaquille Bradford in terms of scoring goals since he has been at home?
Well, yes, I'm very pleased with Shaquille's performance. Unfortunately, not getting the goal. But apart from that, his work ethic, is something we can talk about. And for the first question, the first part of the season is already done. It's a semi-final mode now, and everybody looking towards, and there's no easy game, So again, we have to come next week and put our best foot forward and get the desired result.
Any other questions?
Coach, you are the defending champions. You have played 26 games in the league, now in the semi-final. And looking at your manpower, are you confident that you can retain your title?
Well, we are in the semi-final. That's something we want to do. I think based on what we are doing, it is achievable. But again, it's just one game at a time. We have completed the first half of the two-legged tie this afternoon and looking forward to the next leg.
Thank you.
All right.